And she pushing two DB Drive 10s.
All right. 210s.
210s.
And it's sealed off good. Nice.
Yes, sir. Yes,
All
sir.
right.
And that's what we did.
Could you tell me real quick what's her name? And this is her build.
This is Roxy Bolts. Again, she is the first lady of Team Compensator.
Okay.
This is her build. I did all the install or whatever.
Okay.
It's got a line output converter on a stock radio.
Okay.
And it leads back to a DB Drive WDX 2K. And she pushing two DB Drive 10s.
All right. 210s.
210s.
And it's sealed off good. Nice.
Yes, sir. Yes,
All
sir.
right.
And that's what we did, man.
Do you know what it's tuned to?
That box should be, I think, about 45, 50 hertz.
Okay. Tuned a little higher? Yep.
It's a little higher. Yeah, we messed up on the build, you know. Made a couple cuts a little the wrong way.
It's all good.
What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just showed you of her system. This was at the TDH show in Virginia in 2021. Team Deadly Hertz. Looking forward to showing you all a good little quick demo of how it sounds. Not the loudest by no means, but gets the job done. And it's a daily driver where she has her back seats for whenever she has kids or family to be able to travel with. So really clean install as well in the back. Lots of room in the back for all your groceries and carry-ons whenever you're going anywhere and travel. So be sure to give her a like if you haven't already. This is a 2,000 watt amplifier. I didn't see any extra batteries, so I'm going to assume it's a stock electrical system. And I'm sure they're not getting the full power out of it. Tell they sealed off to the trunk line really well. So they have a box built and then they have a baffle that's sealed off right around the trunk line. I've noticed a lot of systems seem to be loudest with the subs facing into the cabin, sealing off at the wall. SPO wise, maybe a more burpy box might be optimally louder if you have the trunk port facing into the driver's side in the trunk. But it really just depends on the system. For a daily driver, this is really the best way to go if you're able to put your seats down. And of course, you notice that she has the port on the driver's side, so more pressure goes towards the passenger side. And if she ever does consider competing, I'm sure you'd be able to burp a little bit louder on that passenger glass window, having that port as far away from the meter as possible. So if anybody didn't know that, usually driver port is a little louder on the meter if you're metering on the glass on the passenger side. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day. I try to bring videos of all different genre systems, from walled systems, no walls, trunk systems like this, and more. So enjoy the demo.
All right. Yes, sir. Ready?
Handed bands over.
point a finger, give a order, and they all stalking. Speech muted, pressing pause, no longer hearing voices. Became a boss, couple calls, I got steering choices.
Good daily driving for a lot of people. Appreciate the video, dude.
Yes, sir.
Demo, man.
Anytime.
Yes,
Hey,
sir.
man, I'm planning on seeing you at Ruckus.
Okay. Yes, we'll be there.
Yes, sir.
That's our favorite show. My favorite.
Mine
Don't tell
too.
me that, but that's my favorite.
And hopefully we'll be a little bit louder next time.
Okay. Yes, sir.